Many Oklahoma cities are now mandating the wearing of masks in public, including Norman, our state's third largest city. Now there is a petition drive underway to remove Mayor Breea Clark. Critics oppose many of her COVID-19 restrictions, and they're also angry about a city council proposal to dramatically reduce funding for the police department. Our content partners at State Impact are covering this story. Here's reporter Quinton Chandler with the details.
The city council decided to take a large chunk of money away from a proposed police and instead use it to promote an alternative policing program, or maybe programs. They're suggesting they want some of the funds that are spent on the police department to be spent on other social issues, kind of root causes of homelessness, mental illness, a program where people go out, a medic and a mental health professional go out and respond to people who are in crisis or just at risk. And they're not the police. They don't have weapons. They don't respond with a police cruiser. They're there to basically balance things out, try and help people resolve crises, try to help people resolve disputes, do welfare checks. And the police's position is that this is going to hurt public safety. They were on track to get nearly $1 million increase from the city's general fund balance. And that's one of the largest pots of money a city can have to finance its operations. Instead, the city council took about $865,000 away from that proposed increase, and that still left the police department with a small increase, in the six-figure range, but it's not as big an increase as they thought they were going to get. The police department, as a result, had to get rid of 9 positions. The police chief basically said, we don't have the money because of this decision to fill those officer positions, that they actually need more officers to handle the volume of calls they're working with. The FOP filed a lawsuit against the city. They're claiming that the city is basically violating the law. Basically, people who don't board with taking money away from the police department see it as an act taken against the police, and they are making their displeasure known by pushing this recall movement. People are upset about government, even if it's local government, mandating that they wear a mask, and they think that the mayor has overstepped, basically. They think that city officials have overstepped, and that is part of the reason for these petitions that are being circulated. People are mentioning that as a reason why they want to bring new people into the city government.
Quinton, we appreciate that very much.